How to deactivate your Facebook and Messenger account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can deactivate your Facebook and Messenger account. Now as you know, Facebook and Messenger are interconnected, and in order to delete your Messenger account, you'll have to delete your Facebook account as well. If you want to delete your Messenger account, you'll have to delete your Facebook, or if you want to deactivate as well, you'll have to deactivate your Facebook as well. So here's how you can do it. You want to open up your Facebook, and then what you want to do is you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then you want to head into settings option. Now once on settings, what you want to do is you want to head into the Meta Account Center option that you can see on the screen. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you'll get this Account Center option where you'll have to head into the Personal Details option that you can see under Account Settings. Once you head into Account Ownership and Control option, under here you can see Deactivation and Deletion. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you want to select your Facebook option here instead of Instagram, and then you can see Deactivate Account option. You want to make sure the blue tick is on the Deactivate Account option, and then simply tap on Continue. And once you do so, here it will deactivate your, it'll ask you for password. Once you enter in your password, what you'll have to do is you'll have to choose the option that says deactivate your Messenger account as well. I won't be able to show it here due to security issues, as the screen will turn blank. So this way you can deactivate your Facebook and Messenger account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.